Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today's video is going to feature some more hair transformations. So if you are looking for inspiring hairstyle ideas, you've definitely come to the right place. Now, if you do feel inspired by any of the hairstyles featured within today's video, do me a favor, give this video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. Now, without further ado, let's get into today's hair transformations. So we start things off with a hair transformation for today's video. Looks like she wants to get a bob. So the stylist cuts the hair. Does some face framing layers there. There is the before and there is the after. Absolutely gorgeous, classic Bob makeover. So moving into look number 2, this one also features a bob haircut. This is actually more of a Pixie Bob variation. The stylist is going quite short here. Oh wow, this is so cute. I love how this frames her face too. A lot of choppy texture mixed in. Gorgeous. And then we have a curly mullet style. So as you guys know, mullets have been trending for like the past 2 years. And I like this curly variation here that the stylist seems to be doing. Line parting design detail going there on the side. So 80s, I love it. So next up we have another color transformation. Looks like she's gonna get the hair cut too. Oh, she went darker. Wow, so beautiful. Loving of the layered haircut style as well. Her hair looks so volumized. Gorgeous. And then we have a nice cut refresh. So she might get some color touched up there. You can see the root. She's got some grays coming in. Stylist is going quite short here. Adding some bangs. And she gets a pixie. Wow. Oh, I love the color. So pretty. I think the color is definitely what does it for me with that particular look. So we have another cut and color transformation. Beautiful Bob Makeover. Followed by another cut refresh. Salt and pepper color. Very nice. Now this is definitely more of that Pixie Bob shape. Oh, she got the hair cut into a pixie. Lots of spiky texture going on here. And then we have an angled pixie variation, followed by another pixie cut. More of that shaggy pixie look for this one. Very cute. All right, you guys, I hope you have enjoyed checking out all of these gorgeous hairstyle ideas that you can rock out this fall and winter season. If you did, please be sure to give the video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you next time.